Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. We are folding a blue craft paper and cut a flower shape on it using scissors, and look, it is ready now. After that we are going to make more such shapes and paste all of them one after another using glue. Now we are going to paste a green stick on it, and look, your flower is ready. After that we are going to make the leaves of the flower by folding green craft paper like this. After that we are going to make more folds like we are doing here and cut the tip like this. After that we are going to open it, and look, we are making the sepal of the flower, and look, it is ready. You can put the stick through it and then paste its leaves, and look, it is ready. Look at these beautiful flowers. Let's make it. We are folding purple craft paper like this, flip it and again fold it from its corners. Now we are going to press it like this and make the petals of the flower, and look, it is ready. After that we are going to pull the petals down and open it like this, and look, you'll get a beautiful flower. Curl the petals, and look, it is ready. And now we are going to make the sepal of the flower by folding green craft paper like this. Make multiple folds like we're doing here from its top section like this. After that we are going to open it and make cuts on it, and look, it is ready. Curl its corners as well. Now paste all of them together like we are doing here, and look, your flower is ready. Make more such flowers and paste all of them on the stick, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.